Is Daddy in timeout? Should we count for him? Are you in timeout too? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Timeout's over. Why were you in timeout, Emmy?
Huh?
Why did you go to timeout? You're done. Why was Daddy in timeout? Why was Daddy in timeout? Did Daddy have to go to timeout?
Yeah.
Why? Because why? What did he do? Oh. You want me to count?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Okay. I can come out? I have to get up? Okay, thank you.
Okay, Daddy, time out.
Why am I in timeout?
Time out.
What'd I do?
Beating Mommy.
Beating Mommy?
I didn't feel.
Why do we have to go to timeout?
Time out, Daddy.
Why?
Time out.
What'd I do?
Sit down.
Okay. Can I
Good
watch
job.
TV in timeout?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay, Daddy.
7. Oh,
I
you're
can come
done.
out? Okay, thank you. Okay.
Good job, Emmy.
Hey, she got space. You got space. I tell me.